Hi, I'm Victoria with Brinkley RV. Today I'm going to show you how to check your tire pressure. Naturally, over time, your tires will lose pressure with the fluctuation of temperature or with sudden impact, such as hitting road debris, potholes, curbs, or different things along those lines. Before every trip, you do need to make sure that you properly inspect each tire before travel. When you check the PSI on your tires, you do need to make sure that you check that tire as a cold tire, which means either prior to traveling with your RV or 2 hours after the travel. Each tire should be set at 123 PSI. To check the PSI and also the proper inflation, you'll need a tire pressure gauge and an air supply capable of handling 140 pounds PSI. So to begin, what we're going to do is remove the valve stem cover. Just rotate this counterclockwise. I'm going to remove that. We're going to take our tire pressure gauge. We're going to insert this tip right over the valve stem. That way we can do a proper reading on the PSI. Once you know if your tire is overinflated, underinflated, or at the correct rating, you'll need to either apply pressure or decrease pressure. So from there, let's say that this tire is underinflated. What we're then going to do is take our air supply, take this tip, insert it over the valve stem, and air the tire until the proper PSI rating. If the tire is overinflated, what we will do is we will take our pressure gauge and we'll take the back side, apply it over the valve stem, and press slightly to release pressure. Once you know that your tire is properly at the correct PSI, you will then need to make sure that you take the valve stem cover, and let's just install that back on, going clockwise. Make sure that it's nice and tight. And then after, make sure that you check each and every tire, including the spare.